India is rising as a global force in manufacturing, powered by innovation and self-belief. Echoing this momentum, Daifuku Intralogistics has made history by building their first stacker crane, turning the vision of Make in India into a towering reality.
This is a super proud moment for us.
Behind this achievement is Daifuku Intralogistics India, a company shaping the next phase of automated warehousing in the country.
Achieved right the first time, so every detail aligned to the design specification and customer specification as well.
Every part of it shows our focus on quality and innovation. Our goal is error-free materials manufacturing.
Daifuku's journey started in India in 2005 with its automotive division. After acquiring Vega Conveyors in 2019, the company strengthened its design and manufacturing capabilities in intralogistics systems for sectors like automotive, food, e-commerce, and more. In April 2025, Daifuku inaugurated a 227 crore rupee advanced facility in Hyderabad, expanding capacity, creating skilled jobs, and driving local innovation.
With the initiative of Make in India, we produced first ASRS SRM machine in India with Japanese quality standards and tested thoroughly. This is a proud moment for all of us.
The success is achieved by overcoming major challenges which will make way for many more machines and milestones. With this step, we showcase true spirit of Make in India.
Standing 30 meters tall, this first Made in India stacker crane is a symbol of how global expertise and Indian talent are coming together to power the country's manufacturing growth.
This milestone showcases our design and engineering capabilities, and it reflects our commitment towards to Make in India.
We will make everything in India for India.